Hey guys, so we haven't done a technology video in a while, so I figured why not go ahead and upload this video regarding the JBL Bar 1000X. X is for extreme. I don't know what the hell X is for, but hey. But yeah, this soundbar comes at about $1,200 at the time that I bought it. I purchased this from Best Buy, but you can also purchase it from Amazon. The link will not be down in the description. But this is a 7.1.4 channel amp with a built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB, HDMI, eARC. That's what I'm using it for, is the HDMI eARC. This has one subwoofer, two separate speakers for, well, I keep them on the side, but they're really supposed to go behind the viewing area. Like, say, if it's a couch, they're supposed to go right behind you. But again, like I said, I go ahead and use it for using it for around the sides. The bar itself is very powerful. It almost seems like I'm watching a movie at an AMC. Well, those are the theaters that are near me. AMC, IMAX, movie theater. Absolutely worth the purchase, and really took my gaming and movie watching experience to the next level, and I could not be more happier. So if you're in the market for a new bar, there's a lot of things to consider. This was my fourth bar. I had bought two LGs, one Vizio, and then I finally decided to settle on this JBL Bar 1000X. But yeah, definitely hit it up. If as you can see, the subwoofer is freaking massive. It's a 10-inch sub. This also supports Dolby Atmos DTS, so again, if you're watching a movie like Dune, it's going to be absolutely fantastic. I absolutely recommend it. Like, subscribe, and follow for more. Thanks. Okay, bye.